What up, YouTube, man? It's your boy KG, that boy Wild 10. Clark Street shut down, King, man. Lee Status shouted, man. What's going on? What's going on, man? Excuse me. Finally got a little day off during the week. So, about to work on putting the grill on the truck, man. So, that's what's going on for today, man. Stay around for it, alright? Alright, guys. Today's the day. Finna put the new grill on the Escalade, man. I already done took the connectors off of this. So, like I say, man, last time with the OG in there. Alright. Got the 6 10mm bolts out right here. Now we're gonna have to loosen the ones up around the fender, well, around the bumper. Alright, those are the screws and the fasteners that I took off on the driver's side bumper, and those are the ones from the passenger side bumper. And let's see. Little them down screws, man. I can't do that. Okay. It was 2 7mm that was holding like the little, I don't know what the fuck it's called. Don't let me lie to you. It was 2 7mm, and then it was a 110 way under the bumper that was holding, I guess, to the frame of the truck. Alright, we got the bumper off, and I'm gonna do the assembly part of the bumper in the house, because then I kind of start sprinkling a little bit. But as y'all see, I done put the new emblem on the grill, and I also done put my new tag on. See, that was the old. So, man, let the assembly begin. I kind of hate the fact that I'm gonna have to cut that out, but hey, it is what it is. You gotta do what you gotta do. So let's get it. Alright, guys, took me a little minute, but I got it all on there. One thing though that I noticed, this vent, I couldn't get it to sit flush against it, but hell, it ain't coming out, it's all good. And I also broke one of my bolts when I was fastening it on here. But again, it's on there, it's all good. Now I'm about to slap it back on the wheel. Alright, guys, finally finished. Love the way it look. But one thing about the grill that I don't like is right here on the edges. Like, I wish they would have had more mesh to come out to the ends. It's like that on both sides. And also, like, as you can see, it pokes out just a little bit on the edges. You can't really tell it when the engine is closed, but when it's up, you can definitely see it. And also, the mesh down here where the toe hooks are, that side sits in there great. This side kind of pokes out a little bit. Those are only negative things I have to say about the grill. But overall, man, I love the way this joint looks. See, as y'all can see, kind of poke out just a little bit, nothing crazy, but overall, man, look great. Fine to me. Okay, I noticed, like, on the edges, like I said, it kind of pokes out a little bit. So what I'm gonna do, take my dremel and I'm gonna cut some of the mesh back so it'll go in more. Pull it off and pushed it in the sides. And I drilled a couple more holes and put the fasteners in there. So it's not really poking out anymore. Okay, done fooling with the grill for right now. Probably gonna come back at a later date and get some more mesh to try to fix the corners. Gotta get it welded in or something to make it look more complete and try to readjust the grill. But as for right now, man, I ain't tripping on it. And since I got the grill on, it kind of motivated me to go ahead and order the longer tail lights. So they should be in within like a week or two. So stay around for it, man. You know what I'm saying? So hey, like, comment, share, subscribe. Hey, and we're gonna holler at you on the next video.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Get them to 10 million likes.
Hey.